Should the characters in Toy Story sound older as they age? Tom Hanks posted this picture on his social media today, marking the first day of recording for Toy Story 5. But as I look at his wrinkled hand, it reminds me of Toy Story 4, a movie I generally enjoyed, but I think a glaring issue was Woody and Buzz sounded noticeably older, and they're of course toys, so they shouldn't age, right? Well, I don't know. You take a character like Lotso Hugging Bear from Toy Story 3, voiced by the late Ned Beatty, who purposely sounds old to show that the toy is old. The character even uses a cane. So the question is, did Lotso already sound like Ned Beatty when he was originally purchased straight out of the package? I guess it's possible. But then I think about Wheezy from Toy Story 2. His voice matched the condition of his squeaker. When the squeaker was fixed, he sounded like Robert Goulet.
You've got a friend in me.
Meaning that the toys' voices can be affected by what's going on inside them. So theoretically, Woody's old cotton or Buzz's corroding wires could be the cause for their aging voices. With Tom Hanks turning 69 this year and Tim Allen turning 72, does it bother you that they're voicing non-aging characters? Or does it make sense because while Woody and Buzz don't look older physically, they are technically still aging?